Muhammad lived in the city of Medina for 10 years, from 622 to 632. In these 10 years, he was able to become an effective ruler of a large part of Arabia. He succeeded in becoming such a ruler by means of war. According to the Muslim tradition, these were defensive wars, because people from other cities, other tribes, were trying to invade Medina, and Muhammad had to defend the city. He was a very gifted military commander. He achieved a lot of victories. And as a result of the victory, it was customary that in order to sign the peace treaty, in order to seal the deal, you have to take a wife from the tribe that was opposing you. So as a result, by the end of his life, Muhammad had 11 wives. And this is another controversy with Muhammad, who was polygamous. Let me make some comments about polygamy in Islam and monogamy in Christianity. Now, this is a purely cultural issue. The books like Da Vinci Code are successful only in the Christian cultural environment, because Jesus was never married. And to suppose that Jesus may have been married to Mary Magdalene and they may have had a child, that is very exciting and unusual to people who come from the Christian background. However, if the book such as this appears in the Muslim cultural environment, when Muhammad had 11 wives, it would not sell. So 11 wives, one more wife, one less wife, doesn't really matter. So for Christians, the issue of polygamy, the idea that Muhammad was polygamous, is awkward, because after all, he was a prophet. But for Muslims, the idea that Jesus was never married is equally awkward, because from the Muslim perspective, the prophet should get married, should have family, like everyone else. So did Moses, so did Muhammad, and the fact that Jesus never had a wife, never took a wife, never had children, is equally awkward for the Muslim community, because their train of thought is this: a Jewish boy, 29 years old, living with his parents, not good.